How's it going, folks? Welcome to Canes Baseball and Football Report. Today it is signing day for the Miami Hurricanes. They have 20 players committed to the U. And here are some. I'm just going to mention a few of them. So Miami, they signed five-star offensive lineman Jackson Canwell. Congratulations. Welcome to the U. Javier Mallory. He signed with Miami. He is a fearless and physical running back. I'm looking forward to seeing how he will perform next season with Miami. Tight end Israel Briggs is joining Miami. And wide receiver Vance Spafford, he is coming to Miami as well. He is a four-star prospect, weighs 5'11", 180 pounds. So, we have so many recruits, four-star and five-star caliber players. I'm looking forward to see these guys play next season. And I just hope that they help us win. I mean, Miami, we're desperate. We're dying to win a national title. We haven't won a national title since 2001, which is to this day is the greatest college football team of all time. So hopefully these group of young men can bring that W home for us.